What's up guys, how you doing? This is Mr. Tyvox123 and in this video I'm going to be doing a sound quality comparison between the Galaxy S2 and the iPhone 4S. I did the video showdown, I did the actual phone showdown, and now we're just going to check out the actual sound quality difference between the two phones. So obviously you can hear my voice now. At the moment I'm recording from the Samsung Galaxy S2, and then we'll switch over and we'll do it on the iPhone 4S and see what the difference is. Just before we do, I'll put some music on and we'll see how that records as well. So here we go, just going to play it now.
Oi, UK! I can guys go never and not bang, bang. They teach chicks how to play. They all dropping off everywhere. And they don't even bang though. Oi, you, are you gonna bang? Oi, you, are you gonna bang? Oi, you.
So there we go guys, that's the Samsung Galaxy S2. I'm just going to switch over to the iPhone 4 and we'll see how we get on with that one. What's up guys, how you doing? So we're back here, we're now on the iPhone 4S, and obviously you can do a quality comparison between my voice on the S2 and also on the 4S here. Now let's just put some music on and see how it compares on the music side of things as well.
What are you gonna bang though? Red light pet, what are you gonna bang though? By the bar, what are you gonna bang though? What are you gonna bang though? Lion Scott, what are you gonna bang though? Name on your top, what are you gonna bang though? Armani jeans, what are you gonna bang?
So there you go guys, let me know what you think, which one is better. I haven't actually listened yet, so let me know what you guys think, and I will see you all in the next video. See ya.